For our video topic, we had chosen EasyBib. We chose EasyBib because as students, we need to cite our own work in which we start writing essays, or when doing anything that would need to be cited.
When you are needing to cite a website, the steps are very simple. All you need to do is go to easybib.com. Once you are there, you click the Create Citation button, and the website button should be up at the top by the Choose Your Source heading. Once you click the website button, you need to input your website's URL that you are wanting to cite. After inputting that, click the Cite button. The good thing about EasyBib for websites is that it automatically fills out any information it has found. There might be a few that were not found, but within a few minutes of skimming through your website, you can find those other missing pieces of information. If you don't, it is not the end of the world and it's okay to skip the information. After you have the information, all you need to do is click Complete Citation, and your full citation will appear on the next page.
For our website citation, we are going to start off at Google, and we're going to type in the search bar easybib.com. Then we're going to click on the EasyBib free biography, and then we're going to go to that Create Citation button there. And then at that big heading that says Choose Your Source, we're going to go and we're going to click Website. And in there, we can either create our citation manually, or we can just copy and paste our URL in that box right there and click Search. By doing this, that result is going to pop up here at the bottom, and that matches our website, so we're going to cite that. We are missing these two things, the publisher and the sponsor, and the date that it was published. It's the only thing that the website couldn't find. So we're going to go look through. We're going to go to our website, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we see down here at the bottom that says that it was updated on September 25th, 2020. And so we're going to go and enter that into EasyBib. And in this moment, we didn't find any contributors, so we didn't find the publisher or the sponsor, so we're just going to finalize the piece that way. And then this is our final citation there for it.
First, you will need to find the book citation format. Once you have gotten there, in the search bar, search for your book and find it in the correct author. Select that book and put any other information that needs to be provided. Then you can complete the citation.
Now that we've learned how to create a website citation, we are now going to look at the book citations. So to do that, we'd want to go up here and click on Create Citation. After we click on that, we'll go to this Choose Your Source. In the middle there, we'll click Book, and we'll type in the author name of our book, if you know that, or you can type in the title. It's up to whatever you know. And then we have our result found down here of the book that we're looking for, the Bird Watcher's Digest about butterflies. And this is the book we want, so we're going to cite it. And then this is what we have. This is what the EasyBib has found. They found the book title, the publisher, and the publication year, which is what we needed. And then this is where we can add any other information that you know of. But if you don't have any other information and this is what you need and everything, then you can click Complete Citation. And then it adds to your Works Cited page there at the bottom.
If you or a student need to cite a photo, the steps can be very simple. First, all you need to do is go to easybib.com. Once you are there, you click on the Create Citation button. If you don't see a photo in the options for a source, click the button More. Once you have clicked More, a bigger selection of sources will appear, and they are listed in alphabetical order. Find the one called Photo. Once you have clicked on it, fill out any information that you know about your photo. After all that information has been inputted, you can click Create Citation, and your full citation will appear.
All right. So now we want to do our photo citation. So we're going to go to Create Citation. The Choose Your Source, we notice that the photo isn't there, so we're going to click More. It's alphabetical, so we can scroll, or we can just go to the search bar here and we can type in photo. And then by doing that, we're going to do our own personal photo that we found. So we're going to write our description, which is a butterfly. And then we're going to write where we took the photo, and we took the photo in Adel, Iowa. So we're going to add that there. And then here at the bottom, we're going to write what day and when we made the photo in that aspect. Then we're going to click the complete citation here now that we filled everything in. And there, it added our citation in there, and as we notice that the citations have been alphabeticalized.
Another thing that wasn't mentioned was the fact that EasyBib also keeps track of your citations and puts them in an already works cited page. This will come in handy when you need to have a citation because you automatically should need a citation page.
So here are the benefits for using EasyBib. So it helps with you to not plagiarize, and it gives the credit to the people who get all this information, work so hard to get it.
Another benefit of EasyBib is that it's really easy to use, and I know that's in its name, but I mean still it's very easy to be able to find the information that the computer doesn't find. So like for example, like in the websites, when it has that information but it always misses just a few, the ones that it's usually missing is usually because it doesn't have it, or because it's in that bottom print that the website doesn't find it, and it's very easy for you to find it. And that's what makes it's simple, because you're only doing a little bit of it and you're only having to work and help and find pieces, and you don't have to rely on waiting for yourself to be able to find all of this other information that you may not be able to find as easy as the computer did, in my own opinion, I would say. And I also like that the EasyBib has this works cited page. I know that's already been mentioned, but I feel like it needs to be mentioned again because it's really important, especially in really important papers, that they're formatted correctly and that they're alphabetical. And EasyBib does that. It puts it in alphabetical order based on what your topics are about. I mean, for example, the ones that we had, it went the website, the book, or the photo, and then the book, even though in the way that we did our citations, we did website, book, photo. So we can see there that it made that into an alphabetical works cited sheet, which is what most essays that you would need a citation sheet for. That's one of the criteria that you would need to look for. So it's nice that EasyBib has that in there for you.